G-Money here for Restoring a Princess, and it is very early in the morning, and I'm hearing arrivals waiting for the very first passengers to come through the brand new arrival area. Now, we've seen the progress of arrivals and, of course, the baggage pickup, but today is the day. We've done trial runs, we've done walkthroughs, and today we're going to see the passengers arrive from Sabre and Stacia on our local carrier, Winair, and see how it goes for the very first time in arrivals. So don't go nowhere. It's Restoring a Princess. Well, there you have it, arrivals, and congratulations to Winair, our local carrier, for bringing our first passengers through arrivals. And it looks pretty good. No hiccups, smooth as can be. Hey, keep it right here for all episodes for Restoring a Princess. And like I always say, remember, 80 years we're celebrating the Princess Juliana International Airport, and I'm pretty sure you might have heard who's coming, huh? Anyway, until next time, Restoring a Princess.